daily workout routine to lose weight after 30. At 30, most people's muscle growth will start to decline, as well as losing lean tissues. Losing muscular tissues often leads to weight gain. In this video, I will share with you powerful workout routines that can help you maintain lean muscle and lose weight. Everyone says it's harder to lose weight after you've turned 30 years old. It is not just that you probably have less energy from more physical activities at this age, but you may have also picked up a few unhealthy habits you cannot shake off. Additionally, your body stores fat differently, and your metabolism might also slow down. Nevertheless, it doesn't mean it's impossible to get in shape in your 30s. It just means you might need to work a little harder. Thankfully, there's a simple yet challenging workout routine you can do at home that's guaranteed to help you lose weight even after 30. To begin your daily workout, all you need is an exercise mat and a stopwatch or timer. Then do the following exercises one after the other. Keep repeating the entire sequence until you have completed a 30-minute circuit. By the way, if you do not have an exercise mat, use a blanket. Jump squats. Stand with your legs further than hip-width apart. Keep your arms locked together at chest level. Lower your buttocks down towards the ground to complete a squat. Hold your lowest position for about 2 seconds before jumping straight up. Use your arms for momentum to help you jump up as high as you can. As your feet hit the ground, lower yourself back down to your squat position and repeat the entire movement. Repeat until you've completed 10 jump squats. Side heel touches. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the mat around hip-width apart. Keep your arms straightened out on each side and lift your upper body slightly. Slowly bend your body to the right so that your right hand touches your right heel. Go back to the center and do the same for the left side. Keep alternating between both sides until you have completed 30 side heel touches or 15 per side. V-ups. Lie on your back with your legs straightened out and your arms extended above your head. Lift your legs as you simultaneously crunch forward and try to touch your toes. Make sure you keep your arms locked straight so that you engage your core as you crunch. Lower your legs and arms back down. Rest for a second or two before doing another crunch. Repeat until you've completed 15 crunches. Shoulder tap plank push-ups. Start with a high plank position where you prop yourself up with your toes and your palms positioned just beneath your shoulders. Keep your body as stiff as you can as you go through the entire exercise. Start by touching your left shoulder with your right hand. Put your hand back down and then touch your right shoulder with your left hand. When you put your left hand back down, bend your elbows to lower yourself towards the mat and then push yourself back up to the original high plank position. Repeat the entire movement until you have completed 10 shoulder tap plank push-ups. Supermans. On a mat, lie on your belly with your feet around hip-width apart and your arms straight up above your head. Use your core to lift your feet and arms off the mat simultaneously. Hold the peak position for about 2 seconds before lowering your arms and legs back down. Rest for a second before repeating the entire movement. Keep repeating until you have completed 15 Supermans. When it comes to losing weight, your age barely matters. All you need is some discipline and determination to complete a 30-minute workout daily. This daily workout routine to lose weight after 30 is an excellent way to burn fat, build muscle, and boost your metabolism, not just to get into your ideal shape, but also to be in your optimal health. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.